there are few types of artificial intelligence. Number one, artificial super intelligence. Number two, artificial general intelligence. Number three, artificial narrow intelligence. These are the three types of artificial intelligence. Let's categorically differentiate all these things. Artificial super intelligence, because we are on fourth version of ChatGPT. Till now, we are started using the 4 versions of ChatGPT. At the same time, this is phenomenally helpful for the sustainment of students, for the sustainability of students' life, for the sustainability of students' day-to-day curricular activities. Super intelligence, general intelligence, narrow intelligence. These are the 3 major concepts of this artificial intelligence. Number one, super intelligence. Number two, super intelligence, general intelligence. Number 3, narrow intelligence. Super intelligence, general intelligence, narrow intelligence. These are the 3 essential categories of artificial intelligence, and why these are helpful. Number one, there are few components of artificial intelligence which are as today we thought to discuss. Number one, it is helpful for learning. Number 2, it is helpful for planning. Number 3, it is helpful for communication. Number 4, it is helpful for perspection. Number 5, it is helpful for knowledge representation and reasoning. These are the 5 major components. These are the 5 major key components of artificial intelligence. Number 1, planning. Number 2, learning. Number 3, communication. Number 4, action. Number 5, perspective. Number 5, perspective and knowledge representation and reasoning. These are the 5 major concepts. Each and every concept is interlinked with number one, super intelligence. Number 2, general intelligence. Number 3, narrow intelligence. And why? What is the major optimization of these components and how far this is helpful? Number 1, as the human race is evolved, how human race is started evolving. ఆది మానవుల దగ్గర నుంచి మానవ జీవితం అనేది ఎలా ఉద్భవింపబడింది. ఫస్ట్ కొంతమంది బిగ్ బ్యాంగ్ థియరీ నమ్ముతారు, కొంతమంది ఆడమ్ అండ్ ఈవ్ థియరీ నమ్ముతారు. ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ రిలీజియన్స్ we are having different ideological aspects. ఒక రిలీజియన్ లో ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, ఇంకొక రిలీజియన్ లో ఇంకొకటి ఉంటుంది. కానీ మేజర్ ఆప్టిమిజం, దిస్ ఆప్టిమిజం is all about formation of algorithm. That number 2, it is with the major aspect of this optimization of super personal and super general and narrow intelligence is for genetic optimization. Number 3, practical swan optimization. In these aspects there are 2 types of schedules in the same component, in the same phenomena of this artificial intelligence. There are two types of automated planning and schedule components. The first component is automated planning. Just giving a program, ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇచ్చి ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయండి అనడం ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని మనమే రాస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ గివెన్ యూ అ ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఐ వాంట్ టు గివ్ యూ అ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేను మీకు ఇవ్వాలి అని చెప్పి అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేను మీకు ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీరు చెయ్యాలా, లేకపోతే ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా ఉందో అలా మీరు కలగాలా, లేకపోతే ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని ChatGPTలో చూసేసేసి రాసేసేసి ఇచ్చేసేసేసేయండి అని చెప్తే మీకు చెప్పాలా. ఫస్ట్ చేశాను అనుకో, ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రొఫెషనల్లీ నాట్ సౌండ్. సెకండ్ చేశాను అనుకో, ఐఎమ్ మేకింగ్ యూ ప్రొఫెషనల్లీ డౌన్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ మేకింగ్ యూ ప్రొఫెషనల్లీ డౌన్. అంటే ఏంటి, ప్రొఫెషనల్ గా నేను మీకు సపోర్ట్ అనేది ఇవ్వట్లేదు. Number 1, planning. Number 2, scheduling. These are the 2 major dangerous aspects of this artificial intelligence. Within few minutes I am going to conclude. The next concept is natural language processing. In natural language processing there are 2 things. Number 1, text processor. Number 2, speech processor. So these are the major 2 processes of NLP, natural language processes. In artificial intelligence, which is combined to the super general and narrow optimization, as I was talking about algorithm, as I was talking about genetic general algorithms, as I was talking about natural language process, as I was talking about automatic planning and scheduling, there is one more topic which is very relevant to this artificial intelligence, is called robotics. You know, robotics also is one of the key component of artificial intelligence, which is not sound enough, but it is a sound concept. You know, why I want to talk about this means robotics. Let I do some. What did we saw last day about Buji Kalki మూవీలో బుజ్జి అనే ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ కోసం మనం మాట్లాడుకుంటూ వచ్చాము. In the robotics, there are few components called climbing, auction, locomotion, and the sensing. You know, before robotics, we are having other vision. There is a vision which is helpful for recognition. There is a vision which is helpful for motion analyzing. There is a vision which is helpful for image restoration. There is also a vision which is helpful for sense reconstruction. You know, computer. Artificial intelligence is a software. We all knew that. But artificial intelligence is also coming under a vision called computer. In this computer vision, we can go through the concepts of recognition. We can go through the concepts of motion analysis. We can go through the concepts of reconstruction of any other programming which is helpful for our daily life. At the same time, image restoration, PDF restoration, PowerPoint restoration, whatever document might be excluded from our database, we can easily get back the data. And the next concept that I would like to teach you is knowledge-based system. You know, we can grab knowledge from many sources. Throughout the world, we can able to grab the knowledge. You know, the world is open. World is having a lot of sources to learn. But human beings are unable to learn what we are trying to interpret. You know, we can have that interpretation. We can also have a lot of interpretations, because in my point of view, you might be good. In other people's point of view, might be bad. In other people's point of view, might be danger. In other people's point of view, you might be something different. But coming back to and comparing about all the mindsets, comparing to all the phenomenal aspects of people, I truly believe and I truly say by taking a few aspects of as a source, cache-based reasoning, linked systems, intelligence agents, expert systems. These are all the providing consistency things for the narrow view of the world. I believe the way that we are seeing the world is not straight, because our view is completely different as compared to artificial intelligence view. Our view is completely different as we compare it to other people's view. Because having a view is also an important thing, but at the same time, having a clear-cut mindset it also is a important aspect. In this, along to natural language processing, there is also one of the key component of artificial intelligence, machine learning. In machine learning, we are having few types of learnings. Number 1, supervised learning. Number 2, unsupervised learning. Number 3, reinforcement learning. Number 4, deep down learning. So again, by taking the differences of super, general, and narrow table components, subfields, subtitles of artificial intelligence, these are highly essential and useful for using artificial intelligence. You know,